Next airdrop we're going to do is Commonwealth. Can you like and subscribe down below? You're going to click on Open Telegram on desktop. You're going to click Start. This link should be down below in your description box of your video. First thing it's getting you to do is do this equation. You'll do that. So you'll answer the equation. And the first thing they want you to do is join Telegram group. So you're going to click on that. You're going to go back to this bot. You're going to click on Telegram channel, join channel. Now you're going to go to follow in Twitter and retweet pinned post. Hit open. So you're going to go up here. You're going to follow. You're going to like their pinned post. And then you're going to retweet as well. Then you're going to follow on Facebook. Put a quick like on Facebook and follow. Should be highlighted. Next, it wants you to follow on LinkedIn. Open that up. Then you're going to click right on follow here. Then you're going to pop the bot back up. You're going to go to their Medium channel. You're going to open that. And they want you to follow on their Medium channel as well. And then next, you're going to subscribe to their YouTube. Then go over here, hit subscribe. Then next, it says to subscribe to advertisers. These last few here are all just optional. And it goes to submit your details. It wants your email address first. So you're going to get your email address. You're going to put that in here. Hit this. Next, it's asking for your Twitter name. Put that in. Click this. Next, it's going to ask for your Facebook, and you got to have your link in there. Now it wants your LinkedIn. So just copy and paste your LinkedIn into there too. Post. Then it wants your Medium. So just copy and paste your Medium link into here. Hit this. Next, it asks for your YouTube. You can copy and paste that in. Hit next. You can click on yes. Next, they want you to go to your Twitter. Click on your profile picture. And you're going to click on this. You're going to go up top. You're going to copy paste. Copy that link. You're going to paste that link right into here. Actually, before you do that, I made a mistake. You're going to want to go to YouTube and put it out on YouTube, their video. So we're going to want to scroll up to the top where it says like and share. We're going to open that up again. And we're going to go into here, open up their video. We're going to like their video. And we can share it to anywhere. We'll share it to Twitter. And we'll tweet that out to Twitter. We'll go up to our Twitter. We'll go back up, click this off, and we will go down to us here. We'll click on that. Copy this link from up top. Go back down here, paste that in. click on this. Just click yes. Click yes. Then you're going to go right here. You're going to copy and paste your Ethereum wallet address in. Hit next. Then you're going to go down here and hit complete the airdrop. It's going to show your balance, your referral link, how many referrals you have. And that's the end of this airdrop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more coming up.